Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 passive income ideas for 2025 that you can start right now. You know, everyone's always looking for that magic make money in your sleep button, and while it doesn't quite exist, these strategies come pretty darn close. We're talking about building sustainable income streams that work for you, even when you're not working. Listen, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. The key to building wealth is having your money work for you, not the other way around. These passive income ideas are all about leveraging technology, innovation, and a little bit of hustle up front to create a more secure financial future. So whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5, achieve financial independence, or just earn some extra cash on the side, these strategies can help you get there. Let's get into it. Now, the first passive income idea we're going to dive into is AI content automation. We all know AI is blowing up right now, and it's not just about self-driving cars and robots, guys. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are changing the game when it comes to content creation. Think about it. You can literally have AI write blog posts, ebooks, even create digital art for you. And the best part? Once you set up the system, it can run on autopilot, generating income while you sleep. It's like having a digital content farm working for you 24/7. Now, one of the keys to success here is to focus on niche topics. Think about areas like AI education, mental health, productivity hacks. These are all hot markets that are only going to grow in 2025 and beyond. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, and Etsy are perfect for selling your AI-generated content. You can create ebooks, workbooks, printables, even digital art prints, and tap into a massive audience of hungry buyers. And the beauty of this is that you don't need to be an expert writer or artist to get started. AI tools do the heavy lifting for you. Your job is to come up with the ideas, refine the output, and market your products effectively. Remember, consistency is key. The more content you create and put out there, the higher your chances of generating passive income. So don't be afraid to experiment, try different niches, and see what works best for you. Alright, moving on to our next passive income idea, digital real estate. Now forget about physical properties for a second. We're talking about owning valuable pieces of the internet. Think about it, websites, online stores, even just domain names. These are all digital assets that can generate passive income for you. Just like buying and selling physical real estate, you can do the same in the digital world. One strategy is to buy undervalued domains, build simple websites around them, and then sell them for a profit on platforms like Flippa. It's like flipping houses, but in the digital space. Another option is to create niche online stores. You can use platforms like Shopify to set up a store in minutes, find products to sell through dropshipping, and start generating sales without ever touching any inventory. And here's a bonus tip. Once you have a website or an online store, you can monetize it further through affiliate marketing or ad revenue. This means you earn money by promoting other people's products or displaying ads on your site. Now the key here is to treat your digital real estate like a real business. Do your research, choose profitable niches, and focus on building high-quality websites or stores that provide value to your audience. And remember, just like physical real estate, location is key. In the digital world, this means choosing the right domain name, optimizing your website for search engines, and driving traffic to your online properties. Let's talk about idea number 3, green tech rentals. Now, we all know sustainability is not just a buzzword anymore, it's a global movement. And with that comes a huge opportunity to build passive income. Think about it. People are increasingly looking for eco-friendly alternatives in every aspect of their lives, and that's where you come in. You can capitalize on this trend by renting out green tech gadgets. We're talking about things like solar-powered phone chargers, portable solar panels for camping, e-bikes, electric scooters. The possibilities are endless. These are all in high demand, especially in urban areas and tourist destinations. Platforms like Spinlister and Fat Llama make it incredibly easy to list your green tech gadgets for rent. You set your prices, availability, and let the platform handle the bookings and payments. And the best part is, you're not just earning passive income, you're also promoting sustainability and contributing to a greener planet. It's a win-win situation. Now, to maximize your earnings, focus on renting out high-quality, in-demand gadgets. Do your research, see what's popular in your area, and invest in items that are durable and reliable. And remember, good reviews are crucial in the rental business. Provide excellent customer service, ensure your gadgets are clean and in good working order, and you'll see those 5-star reviews rolling in, leading to more bookings and more passive income. Alright, let's talk about passive income idea number 4, AI-powered investing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing? Passive income, isn't that a bit risky? Well, here's the thing. With AI-powered investment platforms, you can put your money to work for you without needing to be a Wall Street whiz. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms and machine learning to optimize your investments and maximize your returns. We're talking about platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment. You simply answer a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline, and the AI takes care of the rest. These platforms invest your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets, constantly rebalancing and adjusting your portfolio to ensure you're on track to meet your financial goals. Now, it's important to note that all investments come with some level of risk. But with AI-powered investing, you're leveraging the power of technology to minimize that risk and maximize your potential returns. Before you jump in, do your research, compare different platforms, and understand the fees involved. But for those looking for a hands-off approach to investing, AI-powered platforms can be a game changer. Remember, the key to successful investing is to start early, stay consistent, and let compound interest work its magic. With AI-powered investing, you can automate the process and watch your money grow over time. Finally, let's talk about our 5th and final passive income idea, VR and AR content creation. Now, this one is for all you creative entrepreneurs out there. Virtual reality and augmented reality are no longer just for gamers, guys. These technologies are rapidly expanding into industries like real estate, education, healthcare, and beyond. And with that expansion comes a massive demand for VR and AR content. Think about it. Businesses need virtual tours of their properties, educators need interactive learning experiences, and brands need engaging AR filters and experiences. That's where you come in. If you have a knack for 3D modeling, animation, or storytelling, you can create and sell VR and AR content on marketplaces like the Unity Asset Store or Sketchfab. You can create anything from 3D environments and characters to virtual tours and interactive experiences. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't VR and AR content creation super technical and expensive? Well, it doesn't have to be. There are plenty of free and affordable software options available like Blender that can get you started. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech wizard to succeed in this space. Focus on your creativity, storytelling ability, and understanding of your target audience. As VR and AR adoption continues to grow, so too will the demand for high-quality content. So if you're looking for a future-proof passive income stream with massive potential, this is it. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible passive income ideas for 2025 and beyond. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the right strategy and a little bit of hustle, you can create a more secure and abundant financial future for yourself. Which of these ideas resonates with you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and hacks on building your passive income streams. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start building your passive income streams is right now. See you in the next video.